Welcome to the future of short-term rentals with DodoLabs. Here, we combine technology and innovation to revolutionize the way properties are managed. We know how important it is for homeowners to see information about their earnings and property. Dodo app is the best in this matter.
Our software is AI-powered, providing real-time data analytics to help make informed decisions to property owners and businesses like us.
Meet the Dodo app, your ultimate hosting companion. Integrated with Airbnb, it offers unmatched control, transparency, and efficiency. With the Dodo app, managing your property becomes effortless, ensuring every guest receives the excellence they deserve.
Struggling with property cleaning management and results? Discover our next app for a solution.
Say goodbye to cleaning walls with the Dodo Cleaning app. Designed to meet the highest standards of cleanliness and comfort. Maximize on-site activity with location-based time tracking, ensuring accountability and timeliness. Seamlessly manage your team, assign tasks, and schedule with ease, keeping everyone in sync. Report and address maintenance issues promptly, maintaining pristine conditions. Enjoy transparency with real-time tracking of cleaning protocols, ensuring high standards. This app ensures your property is always guest-ready, making every stay memorable for the right reasons.
Are you unable to keep up with the messages of the guests? And do you think you received unfairly low scores? You are not helpless.
Embrace the power of artificial intelligence with our AI module, integrated with GPT-4 and Airbnb. It offers automatic replies, detailed training, and insightful analysis, ensuring you're always ahead in the game.
So if you're a short-term rental business, we offer scalable, high-tech solutions tailored specifically for you.